Hello, lovely people. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we want to help you to make it bigger and longer for your woman. By saying this, I believe you know what's up already, so you know what we mean. We mean that we want to make your manhood to be very big. For some people, they have it very small, and it is very tiny, like chalk, a piece of chalk. And some people even have a very small, like a piece of crayon. So we want to help all these people to make it very bigger and then longer for your woman to appreciate it. The first item that you need is the African sausage. That is what you see on the screen. It's a very common herb, and then when you go to our villages, it is abundant there. It is called the Kigelia africana. The Nigerians call it the pandoro. Then in every language it has its own name. So if you don't know the name, please kindly show it to people around. You see that they will be able to tell you. When you Google it, you will see a lot of pictures of it. The African sausage or the Kigelia africana or the pandoro, you see that a lot of pictures of it will be coming. So that is what we are going to use. The next item that you need is the shea butter. Shea butter is very common on the market, but please kindly ensure that the shea butter that you are going to buy for this particular purpose, it has no additives. There is nothing that has been added to it. It is pure shea butter. Please, if it is not pure, don't buy it because it may affect the efficacy of the remedy if it is mixed with some other substance. So please kindly insist that the shea butter that you want is the pure one, and then get it. Sometimes the shea butter is yellowish, sometimes it is white, but ensure that it is the pure one. What you are supposed to do is that you just pick one fruit of this particular pandoro or the African sausage, then you pound it. You pound it very well because we are in need of the juice. Now you mix the two items together. I mean that you are going to mix the juice that you obtain by pounding the pandoro. You mix that juice with the shea butter very well. You mix it very well to the point that you yourself you are much satisfied that it is well mixed. You cannot see the shea butter being separated from the pandoro juice. So after mixing these two items very well, you transfer it into a container that has a tight fitting lid. So you cover it very tightly so that no water, no dust or no insect can enter. And then you allow it to settle for 3 days. After covering it, you put it somewhere for 3 days before you start using, please. So after 3 days, every morning and evening, after you have finished bathing, you use just a small spoon to fetch some, and then you put it in your palm, and then use it to pull it. So you'll be using it to pull the manhood from bottom up, down like that. And then you will see that it will start giving you results. Please ensure that the shea butter or the cream that you obtain will not touch your balls, else that one will be enlarged. Any part of the body that you will be applying this will be enlarged. So please ensure that you don't use your hand to touch your balls, or you don't also smear some on your balls, else that part will also be enlarged. Please kindly take note, it is very important. And then also, when you get the desirable size, ensure that you discontinue using this particular remedy because it will become bigger and bigger than you yourself you can carry, or your wife will run away from you. So please kindly do so. Kindly take this caution very serious because it is permanent, and then we don't have any solution for you when it becomes too big and then you want it to be small. So please kindly ensure that you discontinue using when you get the size that you want. This is a permanent remedy. Thank you very much. In our next video, we shall also talk about how our women can also enlarge their breast and then their ass. So if you have somebody who wants to do that enlargement too, that person should watch our next video. Then after that, we shall also talk about how to remember your dreams. There is a herb that we shall use to make sure that we remember our dreams. Those people who don't remember your dreams, that remedy will be for you. Then we shall also talk about how to tighten the engine of our women and then to kill all infections and all those things. So please kindly subscribe now, subscribe now, so that you also don't miss anything. If you miss anything, it will pain us. So please kindly subscribe and then press the notification button so that when we post anything, you be the first person to receive notification, and then you can also come and then watch and then enjoy and also learn from us. Thank you very much for always coming. Bye. Please kindly remember to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and then the notification button. Thank you very much.